Are you tired of traditional REST APIs and want to learn the latest and greatest in API development? Look no further than our GraphQL course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to get started with GraphQL, starting with the basics of building a GraphQL API with Express. But we don't stop there. We'll dive deeper into using a Poda server with TypeScript and Express, working with TypeRM, and using Postgres database with Docker. You'll learn about GraphQL scalar types, queries, mutations, schemas, and how to merge schemas and resolvers with a Poda GraphQL. We'll also learn TypeScript and cover Socket.io and a database migration with TypeRM. By the end of the course, you'll be able to confidently build your own GraphQL API and work with some of the latest and most powerful tools in the industry. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now for our GraphQL course and take your API development skills to the next level.